In this video, I will show how to add watermark using Microsoft Paint. So open. Now here open any page, any image. To remove this, click on view and unselect guidelines. Now to add watermark, click on this text and type your text anyway. Here you can change the size. And you can increase here. Write your text. If you see size is very big, so make it small. Select it and make it small. Now to remove this underline or this straight through line, so click here. Now here you have to change color. Now adjust. And keep anyway. Now file and save as a picture or as an image. So we can see this way we can add the watermark in using this Microsoft Paint. You can select your required color or anything. You can make changes from here. So thanks for watching.